Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the area and placing the first strip. First, clean and dry the surface thoroughly so the adhesive bonds. Any residue undermines the seal. Once done, cut the waterproof tape 10–20% larger than the damaged area and round the corners so edges don't lift. Peel only a small portion of the backing, align the tape over the spot, press the center down, then smooth outward to push air out and set initial contact. You continue by building a continuous, waterproof barrier with careful layering. Start overlapping each new strip by 1/2 to 2/3 of the previous one so water cannot find a seam. Make sure to press firmly and roll each layer with a small roller or rounded tool to eliminate air pockets and improve contact. If you have waterproof paste, apply a thin bead under the leading edge of each strip. That paste wicks into pores and locks the tape to the surface. You finish by sealing edges and letting the assembly cure. Run a thin layer of paste along any exposed edges and smooth it outward to form a fillet. This reduces peel risk and improves longevity. Make sure to follow the product's cure time. Do not stress the patch until fully set. After curing, test with a gentle stream of water. If you see bubbling or seepage, make sure to remove the tape, re-clean and dry the surface, and reapply using fresh materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.